Hello and welcome. My name is Alex, and this is English Conversation Practice. Today we are going to practice real English conversations, simple conversations, conversations you can use every day. I will say each conversation twice. Listen first, then repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Conversation 1. Meeting someone new. Person A. Hi, my name is Sarah. Person B. Hello, Sarah. Nice to meet you. My name is Tom. Person A. Nice to meet you too, Tom. Where are you from? Person B. I am from Canada. And you? Person A. I am from Brazil. Now let's repeat it together. Hi, my name is Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Nice to meet you. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you too, Tom. Where are you from? I am from Canada. And you? I am from Brazil. Very good. Let's move on. Conversation 2. At a coffee shop. Person A. Hi, can I help you? Person B. Yes, please, I would like a coffee. Person A. Small, medium, or large? Person B. Medium, please. Person A. That is $3. Person B. Here you go. Thank you. Person A. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Now let's repeat it together. Hi, can I help you? Yes, please, I would like a coffee. Small, medium, or large? Medium, please. That is $3. Here you go. Thank you. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Great job. You're doing very well. Conversation 3. Asking for directions. Person A. Excuse me, can you help me? Person B. Of course, what do you need? Person A. Where is the nearest bus stop? Person B. It is just around the corner. Go straight, then turn left. Person A. How far is it? Person B. It is about 2 minutes on foot. Person A. Thank you so much. Person B. No problem. Have a good day. Now let's repeat it together. Excuse me. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Where is the nearest bus stop? It is just around the corner. Go straight, then turn left. How far is it? It is about 2 minutes on foot. Thank you so much. No problem. Have a good day. Excellent. You are halfway there. Keep going. Conversation 4. Talking about your day. Person A. Hi. How was your day? Person B. It was good, thank you. I was very busy at work. And you? Person A. My day was okay. I went to the supermarket in the morning. Then I stayed home. Person B. Did you cook dinner? Person A. Yes, I made pasta. It was delicious. Person B. That sounds great. I am hungry now. Person A. Ha, me too. Now let's repeat it together. Hi, how was your day? It was good, thank you. I was very busy at work. And you? My day was okay. I went to the supermarket in the morning. Then I stayed home. Did you cook dinner? Yes, I made pasta. It was delicious. That sounds great. I am hungry now. Ha, me too. Well done. One more conversation. Let's finish strong. Conversation 5. Making plans with a friend. Person A. Hey, are you free this weekend? Person B. I think so. Why? Person A. Do you want to go to the park? Person B. That sounds like a great idea. What day? Person A. How about Saturday morning? Person B. Saturday works for me. What time? Person A. Let's meet at 10 o'clock. Person B, perfect. See you then. Person A, great. See you Saturday. Now let's repeat it together. Hey, are you free this weekend? I think so. Why? Do you want to go to the park? That sounds like a great idea. What day? How about Saturday morning? Saturday works for me. What time? Let's meet at 10 o'clock. Perfect. See you then. Great. See you Saturday. 5 conversations. You did it. How do you feel? A little tired? That is okay. That means your English is growing. Here is your homework. Come back to this video tomorrow. Listen again. Repeat again. Each time it will feel more natural. Each time you will sound more confident. If this helped you, please subscribe. Every week I share new English practice. Simple, slow, clear. Thank you for practicing with me today. I will see you in the next episode. Keep going. You're doing great.